This is your evidence that you didn't have the last time? Okay, all right, and we are on much better behavior today, correct?
Okay.
No, yes?
Yes.
Okay, all right, so what's going on?
Vagelina has brought receipts, girl.
No.
Well, last time you hit me in the face real hard with
How did I do that?
child
I didn't
support.
get off the bench.
I mean, I'm just saying, you know, it was with $7 million in child support and then $7 million, and then I didn't have any proof that I was already paying insurance and all these other great things. So I brought my insurance, you know, receipts here, and then I also brought.
Oh, now she paying insurance.
And I also,
Excuse me, Mr. Lewis.
Your Grace.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Continue.
I also brought proof of some current situations. I am hoping I get my children back or get all the child support away and just pay the insurance until I get somewhere else.
Okay, so let me make sure I got this right. No child support, health insurance update. So the only thing you want to pay is health insurance?
Correct.
Okay, I got it.
For her children.
Mr. Lewis, you remember last time we were here, right? I got up and left. You remember that?
We won't cause that again.
Okay. And the last time I let you all do a whole lot of talking, okay? We're not going to have any of those outbursts, are we? We're on our best behavior
No, ma'am, your
today,
Grace.
right?
No, ma'am, your Grace. We understand this time. We have the assignment this time.
Okay, sounds good. Now, Miss Tyler, continue.
So first, if it's all right with you, I'd like to show you the insurance information.
Okay.
I explained that I had been paying $750 the entire year that my children have been with him, and here are the receipts from that.
All right.
Just 2 weeks ago, my child, Fire, was rushed to the hospital because
Mr. Lewis,
interrupt
she's
me.
speaking. She's speaking.
he left them at home alone, and she burnt her arm on the stove trying to cook noodles. And I have the
Only fitting that her name is Fire, that she, got burnt while cooking noodles, huh? A little convenient, some might say.
medical bill for that here, and it shows that I paid that as well. He was not there. He did not show up. He was nowhere to be found until they discharged her and I took my child to.
All right,
his
so let
doctor.
me ask you about this. Did you, thank you. Did you give him a copy of this bill?
Absolutely.
All right. How long ago did you give him a copy?
Right after I paid it.
Okay. All right. So, all right. I have that noted. Okay.
And I also have a letter here. So sorry, I have all these documentation. But I also have a letter here from his brother stating that yes, I have been picking the children up like I'm supposed to, which is every week, three times a week, which is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
He got
And
really
one day-
creative with this letter.
I did. I wanted to make sure it was all facts and that you could read it and it comes out exactly how it needs to be. But also it states in there how he lives with his mother now because the money for child support is not being used for housing. They got evicted, so now they live with his mother in his little shack in the back where the dogs in the cages are, and my baby's just sleeping on the floor now. So the money that I'm paying the child support, I don't know where it's going at this point.
That's what we're doing, baby.
Okay. In this binder that you gave me, are the cash out receipts in here?
No, they are on my phone.
Okay.
I do apologize
You didn't
for
print
that.
it out for me?
I thought I did. I tried to get everything else. This one thing. Here you go, Your Honor. And boom. All the receipts.
Now, I know you don't expect me to read everything in this binder or the highlighted portions for me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I interstate for
No,
a
you
second?
cannot. I need it to read.
Interstate?
Yes.
Like a highway?
That's the word, right? Interstate. To come in while she.
Mr. Lewis?
Interject.
No. Pipe down. Yes, sir.
She's like, Mr. Lewis. No. He always does that. He always says the wrong words, but they're so close, but so far away.
As soon as I finish speaking with her, I will allow you to interject into our conversation, okay?
Come on.
Okay, thank you. Now, Miss Tyler, these cash out receipts, they're kind of consistent with what he said.
No way.
I remember it. He blurted out 55. I remember it. Yes.
And in my cash out receipts right there, everything on there is more than 55. And
Okay,
it
are
was
these
sent-
to different people?
No, they're directly to him. That's under his name.
Because it looks consistent. It looks very consistent with what he said.
No, ma'am, that is every month. There's a deposit every month on my cash out receipts.
You don't deposit no cash up. Dumb.
You don't write memos like what it's for?
Yeah.
It's to him. It's to him. So that's
Okay.
that's the only time I'm sending the money is for my children. I
Give it
didn't
to
know
Most
me a
High.
memo for that.
Right. Well, usually, I try to encourage people on the memo to write like child support or something like that so it's clear. You know, anything that you send that doesn't really say for child support is considered a gift. So,
In his name?
but
No worries.
I'll definitely look at the highlighted portions.
worries. No
I will
worries.
definitely look at the
Also-
highlighted portions
Also
of.
behind in that binder, there's
Oh man, I did not realize that. I didn't realize that if you send money but you don't label it, it'd be considered a gift. But I feel like it's clear that it's not supposed to be a gift. But then again, I don't know the law.
also my bank statements showing where child support has been taking monthly payments out of my bank account as well.
Okay, I see that. I see that with the highlighted in orange, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right. So is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to him?
No, it's just last time they had a place to stay supposedly. Now there is no place to stay, and I want my children.
Okay, so you want the children back, no child support, just pay health insurance. What are you asking, that they just stop living with dad altogether?
No, I want them. I want them back with me if that's possible. If not, then because the money that I'm giving right now in child support, where is it going if you don't have a place to stay?
Right. Well, it's not possible here today because we're only concerned with matters involving child support and health insurance.
Okay.
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 Now for visitation and all of that, that's going to be.
Side note, can we all just take a moment to appreciate the color coordination that Judge Vonda B is working with today? She always looks on point and beautiful, and today it's just the same case, you know? Always beautiful. We love Judge Vonda B.
Something different.
Okay.
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 So is it okay if I move over to him?
Yes. And, oh, one more time. I'm so sorry. Come back. He sleeps in a car with someone while my children are in the house on the floor by the dog cages.
Who is?
Can we clean that?
Can you see who's in the car?
Yeah.
Who is it?
The same. This.
Be nice.
I'm finding it.
It take you that long to
It
find
does. It does. The young lady that he played with toys with, it was her in the car.
Oh, okay. All right. That's back here in the gallery.
Yeah.
Okay. Miss Tyler, don't come here and waste my time.
Not.
You could have just said the young lady sitting in the back.
You said be nice, Your Honor, and I want to be nice and honest.
Okay. All right. Is there anything else you want me to know?
No.
Okay. Now, Mr. Lewis, it's your turn. What do you want me to know?
Thank you, Your Majesty, for this opportunity to tell you exactly what's going on. First of all, she said that she took her child to the hospital. We got 3 boys, so well, girl, come in.
You
there.
are, boy, I swear
The
to
last time
God,
we had
Earth,
3
Wind,
boys,
and
right?
Fire.
3
No,
boys.
no, 1 girl and 2 boys.
Devontae, and hers.
Why you keep
moms.
making up these kids like those? They other girl kids. You know, and our children is Earth, Wind, and Fire.
Wait a
Yeah,
minute,
I'm
wait a minute.
supposed to be the one talking.
While we're you are, but while we're on the subject, did anybody bring the kids' birth certificates?
Oh, so
They
they
in there. They in there as well. They are in that binder as well.
Okay, is it toward the front? 'Cause
It's
what
in
I'm
the
looking
middle.
at-
You just got,
Okay.
you know, fun of
Okay, let's just take a second. The kids' names are Earth, Wind, and Fire, right? What would have happened if they had another kid? What would you name that kid? Earth, Wind, and Fire, and Aqua? Water? What do you guys think? Comment below what you guys think. I want to know your thoughts.
It's in the middle.
You
Right
didn't
there
tab
in
it
that,
for me?
Manila
somewhere in there.
folder. That Manila
got it.
folder.
You
Yeah.
didn't tab it or anything?
Yeah.
No, what, ma'am?
Yeah.
This one is organized.
It
It's
might be a
all
little
tabbed
bit. It
and-
might be a little bit. You know, he went school shopping.
I went school shopping?
That
Yeah,
wasn't
I
nice.
went school shopping? Dad, you
Okay,
so
which
dirty.
tab?
Ooh, you dirty.
Which tab are the birth certificates? Because both of you said pages that were
Why you
far
why
off.
you talking
Yellow
about?
folder marked Exhibit 1A.
Ain't that something? Mine's somewhere in the folds.
1A.
The
It's our
manila?
P over here.
I
Yes,
did.
ma'am.
Oh,
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
this. Okay. I
It's our
got you.
P over here. It's our P.
Oh, I see what you did. Y'all photocopied them and put them on
Yes.
one page. Okay.
Ma'am.
All right.
Just how you would have expected someone to come to court with,
You know
real
what?
valid information and not,
Let me
made
check my notes.
Because she gonna sit here and say we had a girl. I don't know no girl with that girl.
I don't remember hearing the gender of the children.
No, 3 boys.
No, it
3
was
boys.
not.
I
It
don't
was
remember,
not.
I remember Earth, Wind, and Fire. I don't ever remember a gender being placed on the kids.
Ask her the kids' ages again because the birth certificates tell you 16, 12, and 9.
No, they do not.
What they say then,
What year?
Badgie Pooh, what they say
Excuse me. What years were Earth, Wind, and Fire born in?
Answer the lady.
No.
But it's your time to talk.
No, Miss Tyler, it's actually your turn to talk.
Oh, okay,
Sure,
it's back on me.
appreciate you.
Great. Which one?
Earth, Wind, and Fire. How old are they?
Earth, Wind, and Fire.
Because
is,
I'm looking at birth certificates. I don't see a birth certificate
Don't
in
act like
yours.
that. You know it's 7, 9, and 11. Don't act like that. You know it's 7, 9, and 11.
Them was the numbers you played for the Mega Million. Don't try that.
And it had to be the numbers you paid for the Mega Million, because
Ma'am,
That's
I
not
don't
what
know
these
what
birth
he done
certificates
finagled
say.
up there, but my birth certificates were proved
God is good.
7, 9, and 11. That is real crazy that your birth certificates are different from mine when mine are originals and yours are copies. That's what I don't understand.
well, his is actually a photocopy, so it's
Photocopy. If mine
Yeah.
are originals and his are photocopied, then aren't my dates and my sex and the names on my birth certificates are the ones that are correct?
You're most powerful.
I don't understand it
So
now.
I have a question. I have a question, because normally this is not how evidence is presented. I'm just giving, because you guys are representing yourself and it's obvious you don't know what you're doing. Do you object to her evidence? Do you object to his evidence?
I solely object to anything that she brings to this court.
Okay,
Okay,
hold
so
on,
what
hold
are the
on,
kids' names
Miss
again?
Tyler. Miss Tyler, hold on. What's your legal objection?
Because I guarantee she didn't even show you the Cash App stuff. The Cash App stuff didn't have no
Mr.
memos
Lewis,
on it.
Mr. Lewis, I asked for your legal objection. You said you object. What is your legal objection?
Councilwoman, I'm objecting that she's bringing in falsified documentations because she's saying she has paperwork from my brother saying this, that, and the other. I ain't seen my brother in 16 years. Me and him don't talk. And I'm staying at my mama's house because there's some stuff going on. That ain't got nothing to do with it. The
Okay,
kids there.
and the letter that came from the brother, I did tell you it looked colorful.
Thank
and
you.
you said you did something to it, right?
No, I
She
just
did
made it
something with him,
professional to
probably.
make sure that it came across professional.
Okay,
That's what I
got
did
it.
to it.
And what was your objection
She
again?
probably did something with him. So
Okay, one of them has got to be lying. Obviously, they're both saying completely different things down to the ages of the kids, down to the gender of the kids. This is getting spicy. What do you guys think? I'd love to know your thoughts. Let me know.
that evidence that she's trying to present you is tainted.
Okay, tainted, and you mentioned something else about it being a fraudulent document or something like that.
Yes, because she,
Okay, so let me put this thing back on track. I will not entertain the letter because he objected that it's fraud and it's forged, and you admitted that you made it more professional, so you actually altered it.
I didn't touch it at all. All I did was print it off, and he typed it up, making it look professional as hey, don't make it look like trash when we print it off.
Oh, okay, so okay,
That's
I got you. That's
professional.
all you did
That's
was print
all
it
I
out.
did to
Okay,
it.
so you didn't alter it.
No.
All
Your
right,
glory,
so
your glory. She says that she has
Your
bank
who?
statements. Your glory.
okay, I have a lot of names from you.
Baby, ain't they?
Anyway, your glory. She said that she has bank statements. You can't get a bank statement from the package store. They don't have a receipt for
What
you.
are you
She didn't
talking
provide
about?
bank statements.
You go to the package store when you get paid and cash your check. Don't try it.
Excuse
We've
me.
seen you several times.
Excuse me,
Baby,
Mr. Lewis, 1 second. Miss Tyler, you still haven't answered my question
Which was it? I'm sorry.
about the year your kids were born.
7 years ago, 9 years ago, and 11 years ago. What's
Okay,
that?
see, both of you came here to waste my time.
What's
You give me
that?
all these documents,
What's that?
and I'm thinking you giving me things that are legit.
They are.
But that's not what these birth
Okay, hold on. What's
certificates
this?
are saying.
22 minus 7, that long ago, and then 22. So somebody was born in 2011. Don't worry.
Miss Tyler,
Don't
Miss
judge
Tyler.
me.
Okay, here's the deal. At the end of the day, you came looking for something very specific. What it is that she said that is untrue. Is it true you got evicted? Yes or no?
I mean, what the?
Yes or no?
I ain't get evicted. I got put out. But
What's the difference? Mr. Lewis, come on now. What's the difference?
all right, so check it out. So we were all together with a friend. The friend happened to hear about this case and what was going on, and the payment that we received behind our delinquency of child support and insurance. So they tried to up the rental payment that I was making, and I wasn't for that. So I just took them kids to Disney World and stuff.
So what she said was true then. You didn't use the money for the kids per se. You took a trip to
I took them
Disneyland?
to Disney
Yeah,
World.
but who paid for your ticket?
She did. What you mean?
Her child support?
Yeah. I'm the legal guardian. I have to be with the kids, but see, it's
Right, but
more
you
to it.
understand that child support is for the children, not for your flight and all of that
It's,
kind of
it's
stuff.
for the support of the children. If I was not
To
there,
support
who was
them to
going
go see
support
Mickey
them?
Mouse?
Yes, the kids been through all kind of psychological drama. They got PTSD from their mommy.
For me?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no way PTSD for me.
Your attitude
Aren't you the one?
stinks.
Aren't you the one
For
that
real,
wake them
it
up and then
stinks.
want to give them milk and water mixed in their cereals?
What's wrong with that? What's wrong? What's wrong with
You
giving
would not be
kids
feeding my
water
children
when we don't
cereals
have
with
no
milk and water.
Better what you feed
Okay,
them.
so the answer to my question is yes, that you did get evicted. So where are the children living?
We are staying with my mother at this
Okay,
present
so
time.
that is also true what she said.
Yes, ma'am, Your Highness.
All right, and it's also true that you've been using the child support to take the children to Disneyland, including yourself.
That was once.
Okay, what else have you been doing with the money?
Well, I have been furthering my abilities to elevate in my employment.
I've been licking boots.
Basically, what's taking place
So you
is
went- you going to
we'll be
school?
moving. No, we'll be moving. We're going to be moving from the state. I found a new job that's going to be paying more.
From the state?
Yes, we're leaving the state.
Did you ask the custody court for permission?
Okay, I'm starting to think that this guy is full of BS. Okay, because like he keeps saying all these words and he's trying to like suck up to the judge and whatnot. I'm starting to think that he's crazy. What do you guys think?
To move out of the state. You can't just leave. You have to ask for permission.
We went to Disney World.
Well, you came back. That's on vacation. You're talking about moving these kids, their residence.
I'm making it better for them.
Are you making it better for them to spend their money,
No,
Mr. Lewis? Because you just admitted you've already done that.
I didn't even spend. And I'm telling you, if I have to, I can give her some of the money
True.
back. We didn't even spend all of it.
So
we
let me
had
ask
some
you.
change.
Let me ask you a question. I'm looking through. I think this her bond
What color is it?
blue. Did you need it's some medicine in here?
Yes. So,
A little rotten bowels. That's probably what it is.
no,
Okay.
it's actually due to the horrible diet that you have my child on. So now she has to take Pepto-Bismol twice a
Who
day.
is she?
You got one more time to act like you don't know 5 years a girl.
It's on your birth certificate. It's a girl.
Well, why her name Mark?
No, she's fire.
Oh, so you gonna go with it too, Your Honor? Okay.
No, I'm
You
just
know
gonna go
what?
with what you provided.
Well, I'm gonna have to use your line this time.
Which one?
Don't be sorry. Just don't use it.
You know
Okay.
what?
You know what? You obviously came here to waste my time. Have you already moved?
Not yet. In 2 weeks.
Okay, so you're planning on moving.
With my money. So you went on
Is
deposit for
that
me.
a yes or a no? You plan on moving?
Yes, ma'am.
In 2 weeks.
I plan
Okay,
on-
so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to grant her request, and I am going to stop the child support because if you
Wow.
she does not get to see her kids like she would see them now. So the child support will be stopped, and you will be ordered to continue paying health insurance.
Oh,
When-
so
You already plan to move.
your
You already-
backslide, your toy buddy. She tell you that.
Excuse me, Miss Tyler.
You
You
ready?
already about to move. And ma'am, this you were a witness last time. You're not up here today. Okay, thank you. Now, you are already planning to move. All right? So, that's a material change, don't you think? You move, and you've admitted to using the money for reasons outside of the children. Yeah, no.
Your
So
Honor.
she is not going to be paying you child support anymore. Now, if for any reason you decide to come back, if there's any reason you decide to come back, maybe we can address it then. But she does have also sufficient receipts. She has there are some receipts that say the 55. She was given 55, but it also shows where she's giving you $500. She's giving you $125.
No.
It doesn't matter. At the point of it is,
Do
she
it have my
admitted,
Cash App name on it?
she
It
admitted,
does.
yes.
You sure?
I can't say what it says, but yes, it's you.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's me then. Yeah.
Okay.
You know, just ain't like that.
All
You already
right.
know that.
So that's what we're going to do. I made my ruling. You're going to keep paying health
Before you
insurance.
stop, I need you to do this. With us moving, I don't want Veg money or her insurance money. You can have the kids or not. We out of here. That's what I just want to make sure you knew. We out of here.
Your
Whether she
Honor,
pay or
What does that
not.
mean? Wait a minute. Hold on. What does that mean?
We leaving. We going to the California.
Okay, so the kids going with you, or they're going to stay here with
She
Miss
might keep
Tyler?
fire if that's what she want to call. That little girl named Mark.
Anywho, I've made my ruling. She is going to continue maintaining health insurance as long as the children are living with you, or even if they at some point live with her. The children have to stay insured.
Do
Okay.
you want them?
I want them today because you're not going to make my kids move into no cardboard box.
Oh, well, it
That's how
sounds
we
like.
do
That's how
it.
you
Oh,
walk in
oh,
there with your
excuse me.
You
can get
Excuse me.
Wow.
Excuse me. So, I think.
Go ahead and do that cardboard box. Let me say that. Go ahead.
Okay,
Go ahead.
so it sounds like you all already made your agreement for custody court, and if there's nothing further,
This
y'all are
is good for me.
dismissed.
I'm just happy for it.
Thank you, yeah, because I don't want to see her no more.
Thank you. You know
Look,
what?
must this
You
go.
go.
Ooh, I can't.
Oh, wow. Now, this is a really interesting case because if you guys have seen the other episode, they have come to court previously and he won the case previously, and now the roles have been reversed and now she has won. It turns out that he pretty much has been full of crap the entire time. He's been lying the entire time, and that's why you bring receipts and evidence. What do you guys think about the judgment? Do you think it's too much, too little, or just right? I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know. Love ya.